Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve two questions on of the quadratic equation chapter by using quadratic formula. So first we will find out the nature of roots and then we will use the quadratic formula. Now solution, the question is x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So compare it with the standard form of equation, that is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is our standard form of equation, ax square plus bx plus c. Here we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, c equals to minus 2. Now we will know the discriminant. Discriminant, that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. So we will calculate this. So b square minus, I will put the values, equals to b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 2. So we will get 9 minus minus plus 4 to 8, that is 17. So the value of b square minus 4ac is 17, which is greater than 0. b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So nature of roots equals to two distinct roots. Two distinct roots. Now these two roots can be found out by using quadratic formula. Now the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now I will put the values in the formula. b matlab minus 3 plus minus, we have calculated here b square minus 4ac, that is 17 upon 2a, 2 into 1. This will be equals to 3 plus minus under root 17 upon 2. Now the value of x will be x equals to 3 plus under root 17 by 2 or 3 minus under root 17 by 2. So in this way this question is solved. We have got two values of the x, that is 3 plus under root 17 by 2 or 3 minus under root 17 by 2. Similarly, I will solve the next question, that is 3m square plus 2m minus 17 equals to 0. Here also I will write the same thing, that is comparing compare with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now in this case, a equals to 3, b equals to 2, means coefficient of m is 2, and c equals to constant term, that is -7. So I will calculate the discriminant first. Discriminant, that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now this b square minus 4ac means here b is 2, so 2 square minus 4 into a 3 into minus 7. So this will be 2 into 2 is 4 plus 84, that is 88, which is greater than 0. So I will write b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, nature of roots equals to two distinct roots. Two distinct roots. Now I will solve the roots, that is, to know the value of roots we have to use quadratic formula. Now here it is m equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus it will be b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this will be the value of. Now to know the roots, now I will write. Now here in this case it is m. So m minus b is 2 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is, we have calculated that is 88 by 2 into 3. Now this will become minus 2 plus minus under root 88 can be written as 2 under root 22 by 6. It is 22 by 6. Now I will take common. So minus 2 and 2. So I will take common, that is 2. I will get minus 1 plus minus under root 22 upon 6. 6. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So this becomes minus 1 plus minus under root 22 by 3. So value of m will be m equals to minus 1 plus 22 by 3 or minus 1 minus under root 22 by 3. So in this way this question is solved by using the quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So the value of m comes out to be minus 1 plus under root 22 by 3 or minus 1 minus under root 22 by 3. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thank you.